Hello everyone, very warm welcome to all of you once again on this YouTube channel on such classes here. Today we are going to discuss our new topic today. We will discussing about noun. Before we start our topic, I want to tell you one thing. First thing, we will discussing subject, object. We will discussing today subject, object. So I want to tell you about our topic subject, other word subject, object. I mean, if anybody want to speak how to speak fluent English, then you should attend my class regularly. So, Kanchan, come here. बुला लीजिए. Hurry up. So, without further delay, before we start our class, today's class, I want to tell you noun, pronoun. I mean subject. What you think in your mind? You think any subject. You think any things that makes the image in your mind, that makes image in your mind, photo. We can say the subject is, what is the subject? Object. I mean, here, what are the essential things for being? What are the essential things? What are the essential things for being subject, object? Then you should come. You should attend my class regularly. If you talk about the subject object work, then there are two things. There are three things here. What I am telling you. Then, if you talk about subject, object और ऑब्जेक्ट होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Everybody knows. You should know about noun, pronoun, and noun equivalent. हम कोई भी वस्तु जिसका फोटो दिमाग में इमेज बनता हो, नाउन, एनी नाउन जिसका नाम हो, इस दुनिया में जिसका नाम हो, नाउन कहलाता है. नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ any person, place, thing etc, कुछ भी हो, is called a noun. Pronoun. Pronoun is the name of is refers for a noun. कहने का मतलब है प्रोनाउन संज्ञा के स्थान पर, द प्लेस विच वर्ड that have a place about a noun, for a noun, is called pronoun. Then third point, the third what I am telling you, noun equivalent. What is this? You know noun, pronoun, but you don't know noun equivalent. Then I will tell you very closely of this topic, about this topic. So listen me, read carefully. Are you getting my points? My dear students, dear friends, we can say you are my good friends also. So I want to tell you very closely everything about noun, pronoun, noun equivalent, what they are in our English language, works in our English language. So बगैर वक्त ज़ाहिर किए, without any further delay, I want to tell everything about subject object. So if you have any doubt, then you should tell me definitely. So I want to tell you, because of your basic spoken English sense development, speaking, basic spoken English speaking sense development. Noun. What is the noun? Essential things के स्थान पर, को के जैसा, नाउन के जैसा जो होता है, एसेंशियल नाउन के जैसा जो ट्रीट करता है, नाउन इक्विवेलेंट कहलाता है. इज कॉल्ड द थिंग, द वर्ड विच इज कॉल्ड नाउन, pronoun, and which is called noun equivalent. That is, what is that? So listen me with carefully. Look at the blackboard. Firstly, I want to tell you everything. So keep your mind, sit proper. Noun equivalent. verbs. Some verbs make a verb as a subject or as a like noun, pronoun. नाउन और प्रोनाउन की तरह काम करते हैं कुछ वर्ड्स. वी कैन से these words are called gerund. वर्ब प्लस ing. gerund जिसको बोलते हैं आप, इसको समझते हैं वर्ब में वर्ब का फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब बन जाता है नाउन. नाउन प्लस वी प्लस ing बन जाता है सब्जेक्ट. काम करता है नाउन का. इसके अलावा 2 प्लस V1 भी एज इट इज़ नाउन की तरह काम करता है. एज इट इज़ नाउन की तरह 2 प्लस V1 लाइक एज इट इज़ वर्क से एज इट इज़ नाउन की तरह काम करता है. टू वर्क इज ए गुड हैबिट. टू वॉक एग्जाम्पल है आपके सामने. टू वॉक इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. स्मोकिंग इज इंजरियस टू हेल्थ. इंजरियस टू हेल्थ. धूम्रपान स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक होता है. स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक होता है. दौड़ना टू रन. टू वॉक सुबह घूमना. मॉर्निंग वॉक इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. सो एंड सो एग्जाम्पल्स आई वांट टू गिव यू. देन it is very clear to understand noun, pronoun, noun equivalent. Okay, nice. Okay, well, so keep in your minds before I tell you the next point, which I want to stop here this class. See you again. Okay, nice.